In this video, I'm going to show you how to set trailing stop loss on Moomoo. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up your Moomoo app on your mobile device, and then you want to open your account. And once you have your account opened, you want to click on Accounts down here at the very bottom. Let me just show you. There we go. This is what you want to click. And then once you click over here, you'll be directed to this page over here, where you can basically see all your assets, you can see your positions, etc. So what you have to do is scroll down so your positions get revealed. And then in here, you will see your different positions. So these two over here are for Neo and for Microsoft. And you want to click on the one you would like to basically set trailing stop loss at. So for example, you can select the first one, second one, it doesn't matter. The one you actually want to work with. So just click on that. And after you do it, you have your next page over here. You'll be able to see your position. Now, from this screen, you don't have to scroll anywhere. You can just click the trade button. So this trade button is always appearing down here at the very bottom left. Just click on that trade button. And then in here, you will see a few different things. The symbol, the NVDA call, and then the order type. So this type over here is where you want to stop at. So where it says order type, simply click on limit or whatever is set over here. So it may say market, stop limit, stop whatever it is. Just click on this thing over here. Once you do that, you'll basically get a list which is called order types, and in here you'll see all different order types. So you'll have limit, market, stop limit, stop, etc. However, at the very bottom is what we're looking for, which is the trailing stop limit over here. And what this does is basically it auto places a limit order when the price reaches the trigger price based on a trailing amount and or percentage. So you simply want to click on that to select it, and then once you select that, you will then be able to basically set everything up according to your needs. And after that, just confirm it, and you'll be able to set trailing stop loss on Moomoo. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.